Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to add custom JavaScript to your WordPress site, specifically, right into the head or body tag by editing your theme files. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to insert tracking codes, custom scripts, or any JavaScript you need without relying on a plugin. It's a little hands-on, but I'll walk you through each step so you can do it with confidence. Alright, let's dive in. First up, we're not using a plugin for this method. Instead, we're going to make a direct change to your theme's code, and while that can sound a bit intimidating, just remember it's completely doable as long as you follow each step carefully. Just a quick heads up, changes you make to theme files might get wiped out if you update your theme in the future, so consider this a solution for situations where you really can't or don't want to use a plugin. Start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard, look on the left-hand side menu and find Appearance. When you hover over it, you'll see Theme File Editor. Click that and WordPress will open up a list of all the files that make up your active theme. It's like peeking behind the curtain at how your site is built. Now, if your goal is to add JavaScript to the head tag, maybe for something like a Google Analytics tracking snippet or to load a custom script at the top of your page, you'll want to find the file labeled header.php. This file controls everything that goes into the head section of your site. Scroll through the list of theme files on the right until you spot header.php, give it a click, and the editor should open up that file's code. Take a moment to look at the code here. You'll see a lot of HTML tags, and somewhere near the top, you'll spot the opening head tag. Decide where you want your script to go. For most JavaScript, you'll want to place it just before the closing /head tag. That way, the script loads early but doesn't interrupt other critical stuff like page styles. Paste your JavaScript snippet right there. If it's a tracking code or a simple script, just copy and paste, but double-check that you've included the proper opening and closing script tags, and don't rush. This part is important for your site's stability and performance. If you're looking to add JavaScript to the body section, maybe for a live chat widget or a script that doesn't need to load up front, you'll be working with footer.php. This file assembles the area right before your site's closing /body tag, which is a perfect spot for many scripts. Click on footer.php, then scroll all the way down until you see that closing /body tag. Paste your JavaScript right before it within script tags as needed. This ensures the code runs after the main content has loaded, which is best practice for most scripts, especially those that interact with your page elements. Once you've pasted your JavaScript, take a deep breath and give everything a quick once-over. Make sure nothing else is deleted or disturbed. Then just click the Update File button at the bottom right. WordPress will save your changes and immediately apply them to your site. It may take a few seconds, so don't worry if there's a brief pause. And there you have it. Your custom JavaScript is now part of your WordPress site right where you need it. If anything doesn't look right or isn't working, simply revisit the file editor and check your formatting. Even a missing bracket can throw things off, so a little patience goes a long way. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into any snags, drop a comment below and I'll be glad to help. Don't forget to like the video, and if you want more practical WordPress tips just like this, hit subscribe for more tutorials. Good luck with your site, and I'll see you in the next one.